how to add note on Instagram from PC. So if you want to add a note on Instagram from PC, then open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. Simply go and search for Instagram. And here you need to go for the login page of Instagram and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your Instagram, now you need to simply go for the messages, which is here. And under the messages here on the upper side, you will have the notes option, right? So you need to simply click on the note. And once you click on the note here on the right side, you will have share a thought option. So enter a note. Once you enter the note, go for the share, which is here on the upper right. Click on share, and once you click on share, your note has been shared. So that's how you can share notes, or that's how you can add notes on Instagram from PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.